Welcome to the unboxing video of LODARK 7-inch Android car stereo. Packaging customization available, just tell us your requirement. Now, let's open it to check what's inside. There is a pack of relevant cables, the user manual, the bracket, and the product. We can see that both ends of the product are wrapped with foam and packaged in waterproof bag. This is LODARK 7-inch Android car stereo. Let's look at the appearance of the product. There are multiple interfaces on the back, including USB, HDMI, AV input and output, etc., which is very convenient for expansion. Next, let's look at the cables. This one is the power cord. This is the RCA cable. And this one is camera input. Next one is the GPS antenna. This is the 6-pin interface USB data cable, support wire CarPlay and Android Auto. This is the 4-pin interface USB data cable, support wire CarPlay and Android Auto. And this one is the microphone. Then, the bracket and the screws. Now, let's install these cables.